Hello, my name's Timothy Quigley, Valve Reliability Specialist at Novaspect, and welcome to Tools in Your Toolbox. The DVC6200 has its motherboard, or puck, located inside the housing to the 6200. To access it, remove the cover to the 6200. From there, there's 3 Allen screws that need to be backed out. Once the Allen screws have been backed out, you can slide the module housing off of the 6200. You might need to use 2 flathead screwdrivers to assist with this. Remove the 2 wire connections on the back side, and then there are 3 Phillip head screws that need to be removed from the puck. Slide the puck out from the back. You have successfully removed the puck from the 6200. To replace it, we want to be mindful of the 2 prongs located in the back of the housing base. Make sure when we're replacing the puck to it that we are on these successfully. If you feel a lot of resistance pushing against it, don't push too hard, because that simply means you are going to bend the prongs and you'll need a new eye to P after that. Replace the screws. From there, reconnect the wires to the back of the puck. And slide the module back into the housing. Tighten down the 3 Allen screws and replace your front cover. That's all there is to it. My name's Timothy Quigley, and thank you for watching Tools in Your Toolbox.